If you run a Shopify store, you already know that personalized shopping experiences drive more sales. That's why we're excited to introduce the new Built for Shopify RevenueHunt app. We've completely re-engineered RevenueHunt to be faster, more powerful, and fully optimized for Shopify's ecosystem. That means better performance, more flexibility, and easier customization, without any extra work on your part. And the best part? You can try it out for free as part of our beta program and lock in an exclusive 25% lifetime discount when we launch. So, what's new? First, this is a Built for Shopify app, meaning it meets Shopify's highest standards for performance, security, and integration. But we didn't just optimize the app. We added a ton of new features based on feedback from thousands of Shopify stores. First, let's talk about recommendations. Shopify Markets support is built in, allowing you to offer multilingual quizzes and show the right recommendations based on a customer's location, language, and currency. You can now recommend entire collections, not just individual products or variants. If you sell curated bundles, seasonal items, or category-based products, this is a game changer. Fixed and dynamic recommendation systems give you more control over what customers see. You can set up quizzes to show pre-selected bestsellers or make results adapt based on customer responses. No more product limits. The old version capped product recommendations at 5,000 items. Now, you can work with unlimited products. Next, let's talk about design. The quiz is no longer an iFrame. It now embeds directly inside your Shopify store as a native block. That means better tracking, styling, and full compatibility with Shopify's core features like cart rules and checkout buttons. We've introduced a modern drag-and-drop quiz builder, just like Shopify's theme editor. That means zero coding required to create and customize your quizzes. New quiz templates give you a head start, and you can fully customize the layout, colors, fonts, and buttons to match your brand. The conditional logic builder now has an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, so you can create complex, multi-step quizzes without getting lost in settings. And here's what's coming next. Since this is a brand new app in beta phase, some features aren't available yet, but will be added soon. The app already integrates with Google Analytics, Metapixel, and Klaviyo, but more integrations are coming. So, why upgrade now? First, the beta is completely free to join. And when we officially launch, beta testers will get 25% off for life, an exclusive discount you won't get later. Switching is easy. Just open the RevenueHunt app in your Shopify dashboard, click Switch to Built for Shopify, confirm access, and you're good to go. If you ever need to, switching back is just as simple. So if you're ready to give your customers a better shopping experience and boost conversions, click the link in the description to join the beta now. And if you're looking for more e-commerce tips and strategies, head over to revenuehunt.com/blog. We post regular insights to help you grow your Shopify business.